What if everything you were taught about nature was only half the truth? As I prepared for top surgery, training my body, clearing my lungs, and choosing myself each day, a quiet storm rumbled within. What if this is unnatural? Well, then I discovered something that changed everything. Nature isn't rigid. Life adapts, transforms, and evolves. Ecosystems thrive in fluidity and is only healthy and balanced with diversity. Nature isn't fixed. It isn't straight. Nature is queer. This series is for anyone who's ever internalized the message that we're in some way unnatural. You are not against nature. You are a stunning expression of it.